All right, we're going to go over lesson 1.01. What is a ratio? When two numbers are written as a division problem, when two numbers are written with a colon, when two or more values are compared in lowest terms, or when two numbers are written as a fraction in lowest terms. So all of these are examples of ratios. Today we're going to be focusing on proportions. A proportion is when you set two fractions equal to one another, like 3 over 4 is equal to 6 over 8, or 2 over 5 is equal to 8 over x. What is a true proportion? To determine if a set of ratios are proportional, we're going to cross multiply to verify the values are equal. So 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 6 is also 24. So this is a proportional relationship. We'll do the same thing with the next one. 2 times 10 is 20. 5 times 8 is 40. These values are not equal, so this is not proportional. Right, let's look at our next one. Okay, so as I'm going through these are going to match up with your quiz. So number 1 is an example of number 1 on your quiz. Determine whether this is a proportional relationship. 12 times 3 gives me 36. 9 times 4 also gives me 36. So because these are the same, I'm going to write that they are proportional. Let's try example number 2. Determine whether this is a true proportion or whether or not these are proportional. 4 times 30 gives me 120. 5 times 20 gives me 120. So this is a proportional relationship because I got the same values when I cross multiplied, indicating that these are in fact equivalent fractions. Let's look at number 3. Determine whether this is a true proportion. Okay, so I'm going to do 0.02 times 0.2. And for anyone unsure about how to multiply their decimals, let's go ahead and do it out. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0. There's 1, 2, 3 digits in total after the decimal, so I should have the same thing in my answer. So this is 0.004. Now we'll do 0.7 times 0.7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 0 is 0. There are 2 digits after the decimal, so there should be 2 digits after the decimal in my answer. Notice how these are not the same, so this is not proportional. Let's look at example 5. Karen drove 30 miles in 45 minutes. So 30 miles in 45 minutes. Meanwhile, Tasha drove 60 miles in 90 minutes. So 60 miles in 90 minutes. And we're going to determine whether these ratios are proportional. So I'm going to put an equal sign between them, and then I'm going to cross multiply. 30 times 90 is 270, so 2,700. And 45 times 60 is also 2,700. So because I got the same values, these are proportional. All right, please reach out with any questions on 1.01.